guys, it's Isabel. Hey guys, it's Isabel Forever, and today we'll be doing we'll be creating some new stuff. Like what came in the mail was a squishy. It was like a few days ago. I didn't do one for a video for a long time, for like 2 weeks. So it's in the package now. It's just a Ziploc. And so yeah, so let's get started. So it came in the mail a few days ago. So here's what it looks like. There's a smiley face on it. It's backwards. And it's pink. It's 2 legs, 4 legs. I mean, squish it. It's so slow rising. I only had one that came in the package, but I'm ordering more, like a pack, like not like just one by itself, like, and then we're getting more, like a package. So, right now, I'm gonna bring some, like, these boxes up to my bed so I can film better, because I can't really see. Okay, put you guys up there. So, oh, this one's heavy. Oops. I'll be back and see you in a sec. Okay, I'm back, and I make a little table, like the little ones on the side, and then I'm using the big one. So today, I just want to show you my squishy really fast, and I don't make them anymore. I buy them to me. We're gonna have a piece of real paper, just one piece of real paper there, and I'm gonna go get construction paper. It's just right there, so I'll be back. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so I picked blue and just the blue paper. So for this, you're gonna need scissors. I'm gonna go run downstairs and get the scissors, so I'll be back. Sorry it took so long because I had to run downstairs and find them, so I found them because I had it all set up downstairs. Like, we were playing school, like, yesterday, but my battery's low. I'm gonna, real? Yeah. I'm gonna end this video really fast. Like in my nose. Okay, stop messing around. Okay. You're gonna fold your paper hamburger style, and then you guys see what we're making. Alright. And I'm gonna pause the video because I'm gonna do it later. Then do the same to your blue paper, construction paper. It doesn't have to be blue, any. Okay. Now you're gonna cut it in half. And cut your other one too. And now that you cut it, fold it into a little thing like that. Now what you're gonna do with one of the blue papers, you're gonna fold it. No, wait. You're gonna cut this up into. No, you're gonna leave that like that, and you're gonna put it like that. And then you got a notebook, and you just need to staple it or tape it, anything. Bye.